Greetings, this is Sandy, the Digital Diva with Automated Clinical Guidelines, ACG. This is a video tutorial to help you sign up for our software. As you can see on the screen, I have opened Google Chrome as my browser, which is recommended for PCs. Firefox works well. Safari on Mac works well with our software. We do not recommend Internet Explorer as a rule, but if that is your only option, it will work, but it runs a bit slowly with our software. Go to the address bar or the URL bar and type in our homepage, Automated Clinical. Oop, I spelled it wrong. Well, I'll get it here in a moment. There it is, pops up because I've been there before. AutomatedClinical.com and enter. Once you're here, at the top right of your screen, you will see two blue buttons. One button is labeled Sign Up, this one here, and one button is labeled Sign In. So select the Sign Up button, and this will take you to our Sign Up page. Here at the Sign Up page, you just need to fill out the form. First, type in your first and last name here where it says official full name, first and last. The second text box entry here is for your username. Choose one that makes you happy. One of mine is Augustine. So whatever works for you, whatever you'll remember, you'll need to remember this. Next is the email address that you want to use to interact with the system. Next, your affiliation. Are you a doctor in a practice? Are you with a hospital, a business entity, a provider of some sort? Just type in and let us know who you are. Then create a password. We need 8 characters, one a capital letter. One of these characters should be a number, and one character should be a symbol. The range of symbols are the exclamation point, the @ symbol, the pound symbol, the dollar symbol, or the percentage sign symbol. Any one of those, just fine. Next, you've got this what's called a CAPTCHA dialog box here. If you're not sure of the characters pictured, sometimes they're fuzzy, hard to read. Don't despair. There's a row of 3 buttons here. The top one is a little blue button with kind of a circular arrow symbol. Just click on that, and it'll give you a different picture. And you can do this as many times as you need to, and just type in the first set of characters, then a space. You enter the space and type in the second list of characters, and that will take you to a image. If you've entered everything correctly, if you haven't entered it correctly, it will tell you and help you correct it. If you've entered everything correctly, excuse me, a screen will give you instructions for you to enter your email inbox. So I've got one from earlier. Here's my email inbox, and here it says Webmaster Alert, Automated, that's us, ACG, LCD verification. Just open up that email, and it usually goes to the inbox, but it might go to your junk mail. So if you don't see it in the inbox, check your spam file or your junk email file, and you will receive, this is an automated reply to your application, and it will supply you with a link here that you need to click on and go to verify your new account. It's another security procedure, another way for us to to keep out the bad people. Once you've verified the account, let's see, yeah, you'll receive this page. Thank you, you're now verified. Click the log on button to try it out. Although I would suggest to you that you do this instead. Go back here to the site you were originally on, back to our home page. Here we are now, back at the Automated Clinical home page, and now use the second blue button. You know, you're done with the sign up button forever, unless you need more accounts or something. But once you've got your new account, you want to go here to sign in. This is our products page. Here on the left side, you'll see actually 4 buttons, these large buttons, and they represent our 4 current products. So we're going to simulate going in for the first time. So we're going to go to medical necessity, and we'll go to cardiology, and we'll choose one of these without the asterisk. Asterisk means they're not there yet, they're coming soon. Let's choose exercise stress test. Oh, and now you're a real user, so you can log in. This is one particular procedure or surgery or product, whatever, and it says you got to log in. This is where you enter your username you chose earlier. Mine was Augustine. Then you enter the password. Remember your capital. You know, it's case sensitive. You got to enter it the way you requested the account for. So, you know, capital puppy, you know, 32 $, whatever your password was. That's why it's so important to remember these, the username and password. I like to stay signed in where I don't have to do, as long as I'm in a single session, I don't have to sign in over and over again. So it'd be especially important for like a billing clerk who was entering patient after patient after patient, or anyone that's using our Homes Logic, or for any reason you want to stay signed in for multiple entries. This is a good box to check, but you don't have to. And now I'm just going to enter my, well, there it is, and my username, Augustine, and enter my password, and then I'm literally just going to log in. And there's exercise stress test. There's a form, and it'll just walk you through itself as you select the correct designations and codes and so forth. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to email us immediately. This should go very smoothly for you. Once you get your authorized account, you're free to go for anything that you have been authorized for. It's a secure site, and if you are authorized for another product, say coding, the sequence of entry will be the same. Return to the home page, go to the sign in button, choose whichever product you're authorized for, and the sequence is the same. And this is it. Thank you for your interest in our software.